Hello, friends. So I created this short walkthrough to help my patrons find their way around the Patreon site more easily. If you're accessing through a browser, you will get to see the full layout and all of the features. The app version can look a little different and does not always show everything, so logging in through a browser is usually the best option. Inside, I will show where to find posts, tags, collections, how to navigate directly to my creator page. And I really hope that this will make everything simpler and make it more enjoyable to explore. I know some of you had comments about saying that the site was free, but that they want you to upgrade. I'm going to show you that on the inside. There is a lot of free content in there. All of the Tres Bohemes and Everything Czech archives will be moved there by the end of March. And, I really want to be inside of that community to protect the content and to have a community. But let's log in and let me show you how we do that. So when you go to patreon.com, you will get to their homepage, which changes. So I can't say this is what it will look like, but it will look like this. It will have the creators, features, updates. It is patreon.com. And you're going to log in or get started. Obviously, I've already registered, so I'm just going to log in. Now, I log in as my other site. Obviously, I can't log in as Kitka because then you would be seeing me as a creator. And I just want to show you as a member because this is what it would look like for you. So when you go to the login, I should pop up here. But if you haven't found me yet, you can go to Explore and you can type in Kitka. And here I am. Just click on me and you will get to my page. Now, up here in navigation, this is my home page. We have posts, collections, chats, membership, and recommendations. So, yes, it is going to prompt you to upgrade to pay. It does this because we are creators and we get paid for creating content. Yes, you can find the content online everywhere for free, some of it possibly searching and so on. We all tend to carry our own distinct style, share our own stories. I have usually all my own photographs and videos. So, a lot of research goes into it, and asking to upgrade for $5, $10, $20 a month, I don't think is a big ask. I mean, that's how much you would pay for a magazine or a book that you enjoy reading, and the content is monthly. So it's not going to break your bank to upgrade. But if you don't wish to upgrade, that's absolutely fine. There are still many, many, many free posts in here. So how do you find them? Some of you have said that it's all locked. This is locked. This is locked. Everything is locked. I can't see anything. This must be locked too. Well, let me show you. When you go to latest post, this is going to show you my latest post. Now, I am not a member of my own site. As you can see, this upgrade wouldn't be here if I had already upgraded. So I clicked that, and here it is, the entire post. It seemed like you were not able to access it, but here it is. It's accessed, and you can start a conversation. You can comment. It tells you what collection is in. If you like this theme, this particular post is in the Czechs in American communities. So if you click that, it will open the collection of subject matter of Czechs in American communities. Now you can see all my posts in a running list that looks like this, recent posts. Now on this page, if you get here, it will stop. And then underneath you see upgrade options. Well, that doesn't mean you have to upgrade. All you need to do is navigate here to show more. And when you click that, the entire post actually propagates. Let's continue scrolling. This one, is this free or is this paid? Well, oh, look, it stops again. What's happening? Well, we can click show more, and now we've seen the entire post. Let's continue scrolling. This one also, show more. So we do that and it opens up and here's the entire post that you can scroll down. This was a personal one about my father. Here we go again. And you can close it again, show less. And this one, okay, let's go, show more. Here we go again. This entire post is unlocked. This, show more. Let's see. Yes, the entire post opened. It's unlocked. This one, show more. You see, all of these posts are here. I just think you haven't understood exactly how to access them. Now, this is what comments look like. At the bottom of the post, you have like buttons, please like, you can share, and then you can comment. And I always respond because there's not 35,000 of us in here. It's much more intimate. So I can actually respond to your comments. We can have discussions and so on and so forth. Now, what you are paying for when you upgrade is the community. Yes, it's the content, but really it's the security of having a community. These comments are seen by the people that are in here. It's not like on Facebook where you have 35 or almost 39,000 people. And no matter how much we try to moderate, spam bots and who knows who is in there looking at your information, reading your comments, and so on. This is where we really can have discussions. So again, as you can see, so much of these are unlocked. Now here's what happens. This one finally is a locked post. So what does that look like? Well, we can see a preview and then it does prompt you upgrade to unlock. You see there is no show more on this post. You can gift access to these posts. This one again, show more. But now, so if you want to see collections, what are collections? Well, and actually let's go to the bottom. Well, no, let's go to the top. Collections are basically just subjects. Are you interested in Czech films? Do you like Czech music? Are you a fan of literature? Do you want to read and see posts about art or photography or design or architecture, science and technology, history, Czechs in American communities? This is probably my most popular one. Jewish studies, sports, lifestyle, pub life, holidays, food and recipes, travel, and the Czech Republic, this kind of touristy. And then I have Kitka's Corner, where I share a lot of my personal writings and well, here you have it. Family nostalgia, thoughts and reflections. There's also tags. Are you looking for notable Czechs? World War II, Iron Curtain. Do you like stop motion or avant-garde? Are you interested in castles or kroje or Czech toys or tramping? So you can search this site many, many different ways through the actual collections. Let's look at literature, for an example, and this will just show you all of the posts on literature. So you can go through and you can see some are locked, some are unlocked. You can load more, and the more you keep clicking, the more it keeps unlocking more posts. Now, we do have a chat feature. No one has been using the chat feature. I am here and no one's chatted with me, but that's fine. Oftentimes, I'm not constantly on the computer. And then we have the different membership tiers. Now you see here, I am free. So I get updates on new public and free exclusive posts, and it's asking me to upgrade. There's a welcome letter here that asks, that tells you or welcomes you to the site. You can gift a membership if you want a friend on the other side of the United States or your friend in Canada. You can gift a membership and access, and then of course you can upgrade. So there's a $5 a month option. My most popular is a $10 a month option. We also have 25, 50, 100, 250. So, you can decide what you believe that the value that you get from being in this private community is worth to you and what my writing is worth to you. You can cancel at any time. I think there's a discount if you pay for the full year. But again, you'll see that inside of the membership or when you try to upgrade. And I also have recommendations. Now, the only thing I've recommended here is my other site, Expedition Wilderness, which is where Richard and I are traveling. Many of you know I lost my home in the hurricane, and it forced me to do some what I creatively call car camping and couch surfing, but I also started house sitting, and I have traveled 40,000 miles in the last 12 months and had some wonderful adventures. So if you click on view there, this will show you the Expedition Wilderness site. And just like the Kitka site, there's home, there's collections, membership, and so on. So in this one, let me just go to the collections so you can see what I offer. I talk about having my Subaru, some adventures of traveling with Richard and the dog. These are posts about the hurricane. This is some house sitting adventures and hotels I've stayed at. This is when your home is on the road, so safety, food, etc. on the road. Velvet Dust and Cowboys are my personal writings about my experience, and then I cover the states: New Mexico, California, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Wyoming, and so on. It just goes on. It goes on down. So I invite you to join me. How do we get back to Kitka? I invite you to join me at Patreon and hope that, oh, it's changed me to a creator now. I have to go back to a member to see. Yes, here we are. Back to the Kitka site. Anyway, I certainly hope that you will join me. And again, I see a lot of benefit in it, but if it's not for you, that's fine too. But once again, this is where everything will be. The Everything Czech and Tres Bohemes site will be down. The email list will be stopped by the end of March. I'm not going to be spending $400 a month out of money anymore to maintain a site that is constantly getting hacked and people are stealing my content and etc. and so on. So it's been very frustrating. So I hope I will see you here, patreon.com/Kitka, and I hope this video helped.